Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the app shortcuts on Android 14 with One UI 6.1. The first thing you're going to do is lock your phone. Once your phone is locked, you're going to click on the unlock button and you're going to tap on the screen and hold it above where the fingerprint scanner is. As soon as you do that, it goes to this screen, and from here you can change the app shortcuts. To change them, you're going to click on one of the app shortcuts and then select the app you want to change it to. Now, there's a whole bunch of different apps you can select from. I would read them all, but there's a lot, so I'm just going to scroll through them instead. And for this one, I'm going to go with calendar. Now for the left one, I'm going to change it to calculator. Now click done. And as soon as you do that, now I have the calendar on the right side and the calculator on the left side. Obviously for the calendar, you have to unlock it. But the calculator, you don't. So you can change it to whatever app you want. So I'm going to go ahead and change the calendar, since obviously you have to unlock your phone to use that one. Again, I'm going to click and hold above where the fingerprint scanner is. And I'm going to change it to flashlight. And then click on done. And if I click on this now, as you can see, it turns on the flashlight. To turn it off, just drag the flashlight. Turns it off, and if you drag it again, it turns it on.